Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the phone stable. Charge it to at least 50%, and if needed, enable airplane mode to stop background syncing. Once done, open Settings, enable developer options, and toggle USB debugging so your computer can communicate. Make sure to install a reputable Android recovery application on the PC and avoid using the phone while connected. Connect the phone with a quality cable. Accept the PC authorization prompt on the device, and prepare the recovery program to detect your... Now you pick what to recover and start scanning. Choose photos, messages, contacts, or other file types so the tool narrows the process. First, run a quick scan to surface recently deleted items. If the target files don't appear, escalate to a deep scan, which analyzes file system structures and partitions. Make sure to grant any temporary elevated access the tool requests for a thorough search, but only after confirming the program's legitimacy. Monitor progress and pause only if running into errors. Once the scan finishes, review previews and selectively mark the items you want to keep so you don't export corrupt or irrelevant files. Next, export everything to a dedicated folder on your computer rather than back to the phone to avoid overwriting recoverable data. Verify a few exported files to confirm integrity. If the device wasn't detected earlier or connection drops, try a different USB port and cable, reinstall device drivers, and re-enable USB debugging before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.